comes to us from very, very far away. They have members who have been here since 6 in the morning. Yeah. Your hosts, your helpers, basically your slaves of the day. Directed by Jill Duran. Choreographed by Tara Tober and Damon Brown. With a band directed by Scott Chapman. Please help me welcome to the stage a choir from Carroll High School. Get loud for Select Sound!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Yeah, we'll be counting stars.
I feel the love and I feel it burn down this river every turn. Hope is a four-letter word. Make that money, watch it burn. Old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. And I don't think the world is sold. Just doing what we're told. Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. And you wish upon a star, your dreams will take you very far. When you wish upon a dream, life ain't always what it seems, oh yeah. What you see on night so clear, in the sky so very dear. You're a shining star, and who you are, shining bright to see. Can you truly be what you truly be? Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. Shining star for you
She works all week as a strong little shepherdess gal. But most don't know she puts on a show with her and all of her pals.
I work it Tuesdays on Monday. Tuesday I get up before dawn. Wednesday pouring coffee. Thursday night I'm cleaning the barn. Well, we got 5-year-olds around. I come out running around in friends and we're honky tonk now. I work hard, I play harder. I'm a good time to shepherdess daughter. Cat, she's a lover, and I'm darting out my finger. I work hard, I work hard, I work hard. I play harder. I don't waste my time on manicures and spray-on tans. And I don't pay no never mind to the calluses I've worn on my hands. You know that people just can't understand why I'm the first to love you and the last to say goodbye. I work hard, I play harder. I'm a good son and shepherdess daughter. Big cat, street lover, and I partied out to my last dollar. I work hard, I work hard, I work hard. I play harder. I work hard, I play harder. I'm a good time to shepherdess daughter. Big hat, sheep lover, and I partied out to my last dollar. I work hard, I work hard, I work hard. I work hard, I work hard, I work hard. I play harder.
Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. When along came a spider that sat down beside her, she squashed it and went on her way.
I'm all you'd ever want. I'm the kind you like to flaunt and take to dinner. I always know my place. I've got style, I've got grace. I'm a winner. Yes, I'm a lady. Whoa, 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 I said a lady.
All right, it is now time for awards. Everybody make your way to the Alumni Gym.